In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to streamline your editing process by managing suggestions efficiently in Grammarly. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of recommendations for improvements that Grammarly offers, you're certainly not alone. Today, we're diving into the tools and techniques you can use to turn this challenge into a breeze, making editing not just more efficient, but maybe even enjoyable. First, let's talk about a feature that could become your new best friend: Quick Fix. This is available for Premium, Pro, and Business users of Grammarly. Imagine being able to resolve critical spelling, punctuation, and grammar mistakes with just a single keystroke. Whether you're using the Grammarly app on Windows or Mac, or the browser extension, this feature allows you to do exactly that. Quick Fix is designed to whisk away those glaring errors in one swoop without the need for you to individually approve each suggestion. Now, if you're using the Grammarly editor as a premium user, you're in luck. The platform allows you to accept multiple suggestions simultaneously for certain high-confidence corrections, specifically those related to spelling, punctuation, and occasional sentence structure. This bulk acceptance feature is a real time saver when dealing with large blocks of text that require relatively minor adjustments. Despite all these handy features, there's currently no option to accept all changes with a single click. But don't worry, I've got some smart workarounds to share with you. Using Quick Fix, you can address only the critical mistakes quickly and efficiently. For those other edits, like style tweaks, clarity improvements, or word choice, you'll need to make the decisions manually, but using these bulk acceptance features can significantly cut down the overall time required. If you find yourself working with a long document, one strategy is to open the Suggestions sidebar within the Grammarly editor. This sidebar allows you to tackle suggestions by categories, such as spelling or style, and accept them in manageable chunks, rather than plodding through each one individually. And if you're using Grammarly as a browser extension, perhaps in a web-based editor, there are shortcuts you can exploit to speed things up even further. For example, you can press the Tab or Enter keys to zip through suggestions, reducing the time spent on repetitive actions. So, while there isn't a complete one-click solution to accept all suggestions in Grammarly just yet, these methods and features will support you in editing your documents more effectively and efficiently. With these tips, I hope you'll find editing not just less daunting, but something you can do swiftly, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters: your content. Thanks for tuning in, and I wish you happy editing with Grammarly.